to clear Instagram search suggestions. So first is you have to go to your Instagram application here, and you will be directed here to your home page or your feed area. Now, the next thing is on the bottom part, you will see the search icon. You just have to tap on that. And here, if you tap on search, there is a list of your recent searches. So all you have to do is to tap on see all, and then you just have to tap on clear all. Now, as you can see, if you don't have or you cannot clear those searches, all you have to do is to go to your app store here and just search Instagram. Instagram. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that because that might be a problem or the reason why you can't clear Instagram, because your Instagram is not updated. Now, if it's still not working, then all you have to do is to go back to your profile here, and then on the upper right you will see the three dash lines there. Just tap on that and then go to settings and privacy. Now, under settings and privacy, I want you to scroll all the way down up until you see the more info and support section and tap on help. Now, you have to report a problem here and just tap on report problem without shaking, and then just tap on include and continue and briefly explain what happened or what is your problem, and just put there your clear Instagram searches suggestion is not working, and just tap on send, and around maximum of 48 hours the Instagram community will actually get back to you and fix your problem. And basically that is how you clear Instagram search suggestions. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.